What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BNGO stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's continue with the company profile. Bionano Genomics operates as a life science instrumentation company in the genome analysis space. The company develops and markets the Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutics targets, and to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes. And for now, their total market cap is $1.51 billion. They have a revenue of $8.5 million with a negative net income of $41.11 million. They have a total cash of $38.45 million with a total debt of $16.33 million. Their current ratio is 5.23. It is highly above the required level of 1.5. And let me remind you that this data about their total cash is a little bit outdated, because in my previous video, you can find the link on this video in the description below, I covered the information that for now they have more than $330 million. So from the financial standpoint, this company is very stable and they have enough money to continue their research and to enhance the level of their sales. So on their website you can see this system. It is a Saphyr system, and let me quote you just a couple of paragraphs of the competitive advantages of this system. Current cytogenetics methods of fish, karyotyping, CMA are outdated, highly manual processes that are time-consuming, labor-intensive and cannot scale. Saphyr consolidates the data currently generated by 3 workflows into one single digital workflow for rapidly detecting and analyzing structural and copy numbers variants genome-wide and at high throughput. This system allows to analyze data in minutes, not days. With just a few clicks, you can visualize entire genomes with interactive circus plots and perform a comprehensive analysis of your samples. And basically the structure of this product has 3 ways to get Bionano data. You can use this system as a service, you can get the consumables if you already have this system, and you can have this entire system. So, in my opinion, and in opinion of the majority of people whose opinion I found in the internet and with whom I talked personally, all these people told me that this is the future of optical genome mapping system. And let me continue with their latest news. And on May the 4th, they announced issuance of US patent for targeted labeling strategy to compliant whole genome analysis using optical genome mapping. And let me quote you Mr. Eric Holmin, PhD, CEO of Bionano Genomics, and he said, "Bionano continues to develop proprietary methods and protect our unique intellectual property. The patent issued today provides further protection of methods to characterize single DNA molecules and strengthens Bionano's global patent portfolio that includes 67 issued patents across 14 patent families and numerous patent applications. This novel labeling method is complementary to our whole genome mapping approach and allows us to provide a higher level of detail for those diseases or applications where it is needed, all the way to the single base pair level. We continue to innovate and add capabilities to the Saphyr system as we strive to market it the most powerful and cost-effective tool to study the variants in the genome that drive cancer and genetic disease." And with this news, they enhance their position from the intellectual property standpoint. And in my opinion, from this point of view, it is nothing to worry about their intellectual property rights. And basically, it is very strong advantage of this company. Next news that was published on May the 6th, and it says Bionano Genomics to report first quarter 2021 financial results and host a conference call and webcast on May 13. So they will publish their earnings report in a couple of days, and in my opinion it will be very good earnings report, because as I covered in my previous video, they've already sold a bunch of their systems and they have amazing testimonials from first customers. And Each next month implies more and more sales with this product, and in my opinion we will see very good numbers from this company on May 13. On top of that, let me show you this news. We are on Investor Place, and let me quote you this. Last year's wunderkind fund manager Cathy Wood of ARK Investment was mulling Bionano's Saphyr optical genome mapping system for a stake in the outfit's ARK genomic revolution. And it's easy to understand why. The Mayo Clinic, Duke University and Penn State College of Medicine, they are among medical researchers elite, and they are using Saphyr. And this is very indicative for this company. On top of that, BNGO's technology fills a critical gap between long and short read sequencing technologies, and in layman's terms, Saphyr OMG system helps target cancer treatments and prenatal screening. It even the ability to help unlock novel coronavirus secrets. And basically nothing to add to this information, but I want to add this one. We are on their official Twitter page, and right here you can find several tweets, and I want to pay your attention just on a couple of them. It is the testimonials of using the Saphyr system. For example, on May the 6th, they tweeted this: "See what's happening in Cytopia." Dr. Ravinda Kohli at Augusta University describes his progress in developing a laboratory-developed test for solid tumor with Saphyr. Preliminary results showing 100% concordance between OGM and the current workflow. This is the most heartbreaking testimonial that I want to read to you. Kit and Todd, Ethan's parents, not only received a diagnosis thanks to genetic testing with a simple cheek swab, but it also provided them a community and opportunities to support the cause. Read about their story here, and here is the link. But let me quote this paragraph. Genetic testing is something we will forever be grateful for. It not only gave us an answer to Ethan's delays, but gave us a path and a cheering squad to support us along the way. Katie and Todd, Ethan's parents. And nothing to add to this information. I think this system is on the edge of the science. And all this information leads us to institutional investors. As you can see, we are on fintel.io, and we have recent filings, and as you can see, green lines indicates that these companies, they are opening new positions with the Bionano Genomics. Gray lines indicates that they strongly hold their position or increase or slightly decrease their position. For example, this company, they decreased their position for about 97.5%, but we have a BlackRock that have a stake of $27.6 million in Bionano Genomics, and they increased its position of more than 11,000%. And basically, as you can see, BlackRock has an average price of $5.55, and for now we have price of $4.96. And before we dive deeper into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So since I made my previous video, we were at this point, and for now we have this price action around $5 mark, and it is a very good price for you to enter the position in this company. And right here I've told you that we have to finish our Y wave, and it is at the bottom of the structure for now. And my assumption was that we might have one more leg to the downside, and basically it happened. And let me show you that for now we have some kind of double bottom with these two levels, and we have another bottom with this small price action. And if we will break it to the downside, and it is also possible, here is our next potential accumulation point, and it is at the level of 0.786 of Fibonacci retracement. And if we hit this level, it will give you more attractive average price, and it will give you more opportunity to be more successful in the future with this company. So what to expect next? Basically, in my opinion, right here you can open your position if you haven't done this before, right after you do your own due diligence. And if we will go higher, it will be totally okay, because your price will be slightly lower than $5, and it is the best price that you can afford for now, and it is much better than the majority of institutional investors have. And if we will go lower, this might be your next potential accumulation point. And from this point, we might have somewhere here a trend reversal. And after that, I will do another update and I will define new targets for this company for the long term. And basically, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!